Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can set up a Payoneer account that you can use to receive international payments. So basically, if you make money online, then having a Payoneer account actually makes sense because you can use this account to receive international payments in different currency. So if you have international clients that you work with and you want to receive payment from them, now using a Payoneer account, you can easily do that. So take for example, looking at my account here, you can see that with the get paid option here, you can actually request a payment. So you can issue a request a payment, then send the invoice to your client email, and when they receive this, they can actually pay you via invoice. And there are so many other ways at which you can actually receive a payment using your Payoneer account. So you have receiving accounts that Payoneer gives you access to that you can use to receive payment online. So as you can see, you can create a pounds account, you can create a USD account and different currency accounts from your single Payoneer account. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how you can set it up yourself. All right. So to get started, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So the link I'm going to be adding at the description of the video is going to give you an opportunity to earn $50 when you create an account with the link at the description of the video. So once you click on the link at the description of the video, this is what you can see. So as you can see here, you see that it says sign up and earn $50. All right, so how you simply need to just open the link, click on the link and open it, and when you open it, it's going to bring up this. So what you want to do is click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, it's going to open up another page where you can actually create your account. All right, so once this has opened up, the next thing you want to do now is to choose the account you want to create. So if it's going to be individual, if it's going to be a company account, you need to select that here. So obviously the account you're going to be creating is going to be an individual account, so just leave it at individual. Then after that, all you simply need to do is just come over here, then enter your name and enter your first name, enter your last name, then email address, then re-enter the email address, then your date of birth. All right, so I'm quickly going to fill this up now so we can proceed to the next stage. All right, so I've just filled this up. So the next thing I'm going to do here is click on I'm not a robot. All right, so after clicking on I'm not a robot, the next thing we're going to do is click on next. All right, so at the next stage here, what you're going to be doing is filling your personal details. So here you're going to select the country you are creating the Payoneer account from. All right, so obviously I'm from Nigeria, so I'm just going to go with Nigeria here. So here you're going to be adding your streets and your street number here, then your address, your city, then your postal code. Then after that, you're going to be entering your number here. All right, so the number, they're going to send a code to your number. So once they send a code to your number, you need to enter the verification code so you can proceed. So I've just filled up the required info. So the next thing you want to do, you want to enter your mobile number here, and after you've entered your mobile number, you're going to click on send code so they can verify your phone number. So the next thing I'm going to do now is click on send code so we can actually verify the phone number. All right, so a code has been sent to the number, so all I simply have to do is enter the verification code so we can proceed to the next stage. So the code has entered now, so what I'm going to do is I'm quickly going to enter the code so we can actually proceed. All right, so after that, I'm going to click on next. So what they need here is actually your security details. They're going to ask you some security questions, and you're going to provide a security answer in case you want to reaccess your account, or in case your account gets locked and if you want to reopen the account. Now these are the questions they're going to be asking you so you can easily secure your account in case anything goes wrong. So at this stage also, you're going to be providing your national ID details. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm quickly going to enter my password, then enter the security question, then provide an answer, then add my national ID number so we can successfully create the Payoneer account. All right, so I've entered all the necessary details. So for the national ID, in case you don't have a national ID, all you simply need to do is just click on the drop down menu here, then you can select the one you want to use. So if you prefer to go with driver license, or if you prefer to go with passport, all you simply need is just select them, and once you select them, then enter the ID number here, and after that, come down here, then click on I'm not a robot so you can proceed to the next stage. So all I have to do now is tick the box that I'm not a robot, then I click on next so we can proceed to the last stage. So at this stage now, what you want to do here is you want to enter your bank details. Now this is the details at which you're going to be using to receive payment online. All right, so once you start receiving payment with Payoneer, now you want to withdraw your payment or your funds to your local currency. So if you want to use a USD account, that is, if you have a domiciliary account that you want to withdraw your dollar from Payoneer to, you can also choose the currency here. So if it's USD, you can choose USD, and if it's going to be Euro, you can choose Euro. So for the sake of this video, let's just go with NGN here. So you're going to choose if it's your personal account or your business account. So obviously it's going to be our personal account. Okay, so after that, all you simply need to do is just click on the bank name here. So we can actually go with Access Bank. Okay, so go with Access Bank, then enter your account number here. So just enter. All right, so after that, all you simply need to do is just click on I agree to terms and condition, then I agree to pricing fee. So after that, all you simply need to do is just click on this submit button, and once you click on the submit button, Payoneer is going to review your account, and once they review your account is going to be activated. So far, everything you provide while creating the account is actually correct. All right, so this is basically how you can create a Payoneer account and use it to start receiving payments online. All right, and like I said earlier, if you use the link at the description of the video, when you create your account, you're going to have the opportunity to earn $50 in your account. All right, so this is basically how to do it. So if you like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I will see you in the next